Welcome to CS 6014, MSD Networking and Security. The content of this course is organized into three big topics. The first one is networking, which is how computers are actually connected and how they communicate on the internet. There's a lot of terminology in this section, and there will be some programming APIs, but mostly it's about the concepts and the terminology that we use to think about and talk about computer networking. The second part of the course is about cryptography. That is, now that we have these computers talking, how do they talk in a secure way so that others can't eavesdrop and so they know who they're talking to? This part of the course has some math, but mostly we won't go to the level of proving theorems or proving the way the math works. We will just want to understand which pieces and how they work for our purposes. So we'll get into some specific cryptographic algorithms and some protocols here, mostly to build up our vocabulary of pieces that we can use for secure communication. In the third part of the course, we put these things together. Now that we have networking ideas and cryptography ideas, how do we assemble them to build working and secure networked applications? And we'll also talk a lot about what can go wrong and the consequences of what can go wrong, which requires understanding some of the details of those different layers. Our goal overall here is very practice-oriented. We want you to understand enough about networking and cryptography and security so that you know what components you have to work with when you're building an application and how to put those pieces together. And when they don't work right, when two processes are not able to communicate, to know enough about the layers to be able to diagnose the problem and fix it. And more generally, put pieces together in the right way so that your application is secure, so that you avoid some well-known pitfalls that create insecure systems.